So I started Wheels of Success in 2003. I was running a staffing agency. We were working with hospitality workers, people from hospitals and call centers, and they'd say, how am I going to get there? I said, the bus doesn't run, my car won't make it. And our goal is to keep people working. When you come to us, you have to need the car for work. And all three of the people today are flood victims.
I lost my vehicle during Hurricane Milton with the water surge, and so it's been pretty difficult. And so my job was at jeopardy. The bills go on, you still have to maintain, and I just didn't know where to begin. And Wheels of Success has given me an amazing opportunity to start all over again.
This car, the first car from RNR itself, was one we purchased. The other two cars actually were funded by board members in their companies. The person that's getting the RNR car first lost her dad, then lost her mom, and took in her siblings beside her own child. So her whole life, and then losing her car, was changed totally. Having a car, especially here in Tampa Bay, is almost critical for success. It's really hard to be successful without a car.